it's not much of a scenery. I don't have no problem showing my face, but it's not about my face. It's about the experience right now that I want to share with you. As you can see, the beach is very empty. I prefer mornings. I'm a morning person. 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I begin my day. Anything after that, I feel like the day is a waste. There's maybe 4 people that's walking on the beach. Now, the thing about this, you remember when I told you about the waters? The gray waters? When I came down on the beach, it wasn't so much about the waters. I love the sound of the ocean, but I love the feel of the sand in my feet. Being close to the earth, my root chakra being lined up, if you know what I mean. Yeah. And catch the morning air. But look, the clouds are gray. Isn't that amazing? See, some people say I'm going to the beach and they just walk on the sand and stand in front of the water and take a picture and say they've been there. But you have to appreciate nature. You got to appreciate nature. What does nature bring to you? And what do you bring to nature? Well, hi, good morning. How are you? Awesome. What you bring to nature is respect. You respect the earth. You don't pollute. Don't trash. You don't vandalize the earth or anyone's property that's on the earth. And see, even the tracks on the sand, you can tell no one's really walked on it because the tracks are still on the sand. Look at the little birds. Even the birds got sense enough to come out early. I don't know if you can see them. It's like a little bunch of them. 2, 4, 6. Yeah. It feels so good. Beautiful prana, baby. Nothing like fresh air. Yeah. See, there's a difference. You're going to tell your life story. Tell the experience of it, not the material of it. The air is so good. Water is so powerful. Can you imagine? That's just a little spot. Can you imagine the whole ocean? The power of the water that God created for it to rotate on this earth? And people don't even appreciate it. It's powerful. Well, gray water means it's a lot of toxic. The farther you go out, it'll be blue. But closer to the beach, it's a little grayish light. It's not very happy, put it that way. It's not very happy. So we have to be happy for it by showing appreciation. If you know what I mean. But we all got enough room. Let me see, there's one up there. We go all the way down there, it's the villas. Then you got some condos over there. That's the building that we stand at, a little tall one with the ground. Good morning. Yeah, nice view. I had to come down here. And just very few people, not very many people. But I'm not rude. I don't put people, in their privacy in videos. I think that's disrespectful. You never know. They could be here with their boo. You know what I mean? The lady just walked by. One lady, she jogging. Yeah, it's a beautiful view. You can see all the way down there. And it goes all the way down there on the other side, too. You gotta enjoy life. I used to come down here all the time, but I'd be on my grind. Never really took the time to enjoy it. You know? It's a beautiful experience. Oh, yeah. Going a little bit closer. A little bit closer. Now you see the sun right over there? Coming up behind the clouds. I'm going back on the soft sand. This sand right here kind of hard. See, this is flat right here. It's flat. I like it when you can feel the softness. Even the birds get the worms. See the early birds? That's what we are. I'm an early bird. Yeah, it's okay to come down and chill and lay in the sun. If you get up early in the morning, you can learn something. All right, y'all. So I'm about to do my meditation. I'm about to do a Tina Turner move. Young, 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 young. I'm about to do my meditation. Which normally I've already done it basically, but I just needed to be alone. I'm here with my friend. So sometimes you have to compromise, in other people's space. That's how you build healthy relationships. You have a friendship or relationship and it's always just one-sided, run, R-U-N, run, Forrest, run, Forrest, run, until God gives you the gift, the time, the breath, and the energy to deal with it. But He don't give us all that to be miserable and unhappy. He gives it to us to share and to bring energy, positive energy to others. Not just take. And I'm not talking about just money, because, everybody enjoys money, yeah. But if you ain't got no health and no peace, you're not going to enjoy it. I had 2 people in 1 week ask me to come and be a caregiver for them. They used to talk about me behind my back and all different kinds of stuff, but we're not going to get into that. And asked me to come take care of them. Yeah, my mouth dropped. It dropped on the floor. And if I relocate and take care of anybody, it's going to be my father, okay? And he's a handful of long distance. And eventually I know I'm going to have to make that move. It's just how. And that's what I want to talk to God about. Spend time with God, my people.